Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Hello students, today's topic is computer terminology in English.
Computer. What is computer? A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data. Computers can perform a wide range of tasks, from basic calculations to complex operations, by following instructions provided by software programs. Central Processing Unit. Definition: the main part of a computer that performs most of the processing inside the computer. Random access memory. Definition: the computer's memory where it temporarily stores data that is being used or processed. Hard disk drive. Definition: a data storage device used for storing and retrieving digital information using rapidly rotating disks. Solid-state drive. Definition: a storage device that uses integrated circuit assemblies to store data persistently, typically using flash memory. Graphics processing unit. Definition: a specialized processor designed to accelerate graphics rendering. Operating system. Definition: software that manages computer, hardware and software resources, and provides common services for computer programs. Motherboard. Definition: the main circuit board of a computer, containing the CPU, memory, and other essential components. Software. Definition: programs and other operating information used by a computer. Firmware. Definition: permanent software programmed into a read-only memory. Router. Definition: a device that forwards data packets between computer networks, creating an overlay internetwork. Modem. Definition: a hardware device that converts data into a format suitable for a transmission medium so that it can be transmitted from computer to computer. Network. Definition: a group of two or more computer systems linked together. Server. Definition: a computer program or a device that provides functionality for other programs or devices, called clients. Cloud computing. Definition: the delivery of computing services including servers, storage, databases, networking, software over the internet, the cloud.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.